There, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to download Instagram photos in mobile. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, go into the Instagram app. Now I will select a photo that I want to download. I will select this photo. On the top right side corner, you will see a 3 dots icon. Right here, just click over there, and here you will find option, which is called a share link. So just click on this. Once you click on there, you will get a lot of option. So just go to the copy link. So ultimately, you have to copy the link. And once the link is copied now, just go to your browser. Now search for download Insta photos. By the way, if you want to download Instagram videos or Reels or whatever, you can just download it. Just go here and paste the link. Once you paste it right, just click on the download, and after a few seconds your photo will be downloaded. Also, when you scroll down this page, you will see other posts from the same page where your post is being downloaded. You can download more photos like this. Once you are done downloading the posts, exit the browser and open Files on your phone to check the downloaded items. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.